Hey TV1, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the P2 camera for our live events. We use this for most of our live events like football, basketball, volleyball, because they take the SDI output, which is what we use to run it directly into the TriCaster. So to get this thing started, you're going to go ahead and make sure you got the camera obviously and a battery, and then a tripod mount, tripod itself, and then an SDI cable. So to start, you're going to go ahead and make sure your battery works. So you're going to go ahead and put this thing into the back, and then you'll slide it in and it'll kind of click. And then you can go ahead and slide this little on button to make sure the camera, the battery and all that obviously works. So you see that the camera is going to come on for us, so our battery's good. And then to get it on the tripod, we're going to take a little tripod mount and we're going to flip the camera upside down. We're going to see, we see this little screw thing here. We're going to find the fitting on the camera. We're going to put that on there and we're just going to twist it in. Make sure it's nice and snug in there, and then we'll just kind of flip that thing down. And then we'll take our tripod and we'll get our legs out. We'll put them how high we need to. I'm just going to put them for the camera, so I'm not going to really extend them at all. And then we'll slide it in here to this little tripod, and then the mount thing will fit right in. And then we'll take this little lever right here and we'll twist it down to make sure it's nice and snug and that camera won't fall off. And then on the tripod itself, we got this little level to make sure the camera's balanced, which is really nice. And so in order to make sure that the little bubble inside is in the middle, because that's what you want, so it's even, you're going to twist this little bottom thing right here, and you're just going to get the ball in the middle of that red circle, and you'll twist it back. And then that way you have your tripod set up. And then in order to get your camera feed to the TriCaster, we'll take the SDI cable and we'll just take it, and you see the SDI out here, and we'll find where this lines up with the cable. We'll go around and then we'll just twist it in and it'll be stuck in there, and then the other end will be in the TriCaster. So that's how you set up a P2 camera for our live events.
Hey guys, so I just want to talk to you for a quick minute about walkie talkies and the importance of having one with you. These are always really handy to have on you when you're doing an event. You never know when a director is going to need you to change an angle or just anything that you might not see from your little perspective. So just to set that up, you're going to turn this dial here.
Power on. 1.
That's going to tell you that it's on and that it's on channel 1. We're almost always going to be on channel 1. Now, to get the headphones on, because obviously when you're at a live event, you don't want a bunch of people in the audience to hear what you guys are saying. You're going to want to plug the headphones in, just like that. Put your little earbud in, and then there is a little button on the mic that you can just press, and always make sure you hold it down for a second before you start talking, because it takes a minute for the sound to start transmitting. So when you immediately start talking, you get cut off and people won't understand what you're saying. So just hold it down for a minute and then you can talk. Pretty straightforward. And then to turn it off, just shut it off. Just turn the knob and then you're good to go.